This is a demo video to show how to hide certain input fields based on an input in another field. The web calculator we have made looks like this. You can see, we have put a group button in row 4. Please give attention to the last column titled Rules for this row. The rule set here is pound, 5, kilograms, 4. What it means is that, if the user selects pound as a unit, hide row, input row number 5. You must note that the input fields actually start from row 2. So, when we write 5, it actually means row 6, which is weight in kilogram here. Similarly, when the user selects kilogram in the group button, the input field number 4 that is sheet row number 5 will hide. Let us see how it works in the actual calculator. Here are important points that should be remembered when setting conditions for hiding the input fields. 1. The condition is set in the rule column of same row, for which conditions are tested. 2. Syntax for setting rules is to write conditions, then comma, and then number of rows that should be hidden, if the condition is true. 3. The input field number is row number -1, because input fields start from row 2. That's it. Happy building web calculators.